She ain't got to say a word, her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in, she's too divine. That woman's magic will mess with your mind. That woman's magic.
Oh my God. What is up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. I am back. I'm back with some good. Y'all know I'm into my gold season right now, and I have partnered with RICHSTEEL to show y'all this delightful Cuban chain I just received from them, and I don't even know what it looked like, but we're gonna find out. But I believe it's great because I have dealt with this kind of good stuff before from them, so I already know. Comes with a little dust bag. Look at there. Oh my word. Oh my word. If this ain't pretty. Oh my goodness.
Okay, baby. Listen, when you put this RICHSTEEL chunky Cuban stainless steel link chain necklace on, you're gonna feel like money, I'm talking confidence, shine, and attitude all in one. You slide that chain around your neck and instantly you're like, who's that? Yeah, it's you. Looking bold and fly without even trying too hard. Nah, this ain't no lightweight, flimsy chain. Oh no, this one right here is made from 316 single stainless steel, and it's plated with 18K gold, so you get that rich golden shine without worrying about it fading, rusting, and turning your neck green. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's hypoallergenic, nickel free, and skin friendly, so you can wear it all day, every day, comfortable and cool. The chain's design, chef's kiss, the Cuban curb links lay flat, just the way it's supposed to, giving you that classic masculine edge with a touch of class. The clasp snaps are nice and secure, so it's not going anywhere. You can dance, move, live your life, and staying put. And let's talk about style for a second. This chain goes with everything. V-neck tee, yes, button down, absolutely hoodie or plain crew neck, still fire. It's versatile enough to rock on a date night, at a show, or just chilling with the squad. You'll catch yourself looking in every mirror you pass, cause that's how good it looks. Plus, it comes in a clean little gift box with a soft bag to keep it fresh when you're not wearing it. Perfect if you wanna gift it, or let's be real, keep it for yourself. It's giving main character energy, period. So if you've been searching for that one chain that makes you feel confident, bold, and ready to take on the day, this is the one. You deserve that shine.
Oh, sorry about that. Yes. Thank you, RICHSTEEL. Love it.
That woman's magic. Ooh, yes she do. Ain't nobody else got that kind of neck. She's got that